Here's how to test your imagination to see if it actually can bring things into your life, because it can. Hello and welcome to my page. My name is Gareth Fleck, and in today's video I want to share with you the dog method from Neville Goddard. So this is just imagining that there is a dog with us and we can pet it in our imagination. So we give it all the tones of reality. We feel the fur. You can smell the dog. You can feel its wee soft face, its wee floppy ears or stiff ears. You can feel its cold wet nose on you. As you touch it, you pat from the head all the way down to the tail. And you know how you grab the tail sometimes. And what else would you imagine if there was a dog? You could maybe imagine it running back and forth, very excited. Just see this in your mind's eye. Then it come up to you, you know how they wiggle with all happy, and it's really happy to see you, and it's jumping up. You could even feel its wee paws scratch you, or dig into you. You don't want it to hurt you, but so when the more we imagine and we fill our whole consciousness with this imaginal act, then it overrides everything and it plants a seed which gets projected into the future. So our thoughts get projected into the future and come into our life as situations, circumstances, people, and events. So by imagining this wee puppy dog, you could even imagine you're holding a leash, walking a dog. That would imply that there's a dog. So we create the scene that implies the wish fulfilled. If you wish to pet and see a dog, to test this, to build faith in your imagination, we create a scene that would imply the end has been fulfilled. So the scene would be you patting the dog, like, oh my God, you're so cute. And feeling its wee ears, its wee nose, you can hear it breathing. Hear it wiggling, you pat it, pull its wee tail a little bit. Don't pull it, but you stroke your hand along the tail. We do that. So this has worked for me. This is why I'm making this video. This manifested just in the weekend after my live stream. I was actually at the party. I had been doing quite a bit of manifesting, like just imagining scenes to see, I'm always testing it, testing, be a doer of the word, test it. And I was sitting there and I was like, oh my gosh, I still haven't seen this dog. I did this a couple of weeks ago. And then as soon as I thought that thought, this blew my mind. I turned around and there was a girl, there was a partner, boy, guy and girl, a couple together, and they had a dog with big floppy ears. And that was so mind-blowing because in that moment I was like, I still haven't had the dog manifest. That's really interesting. Boom. It was behind me at this party. And I just went up and was like, I love you, little dog. Like, you came from my imagination. That's so cool. But yeah, so you test this. You can do it as you fall asleep. Before you fall asleep, get in bed, get sleepy, or just do it now. Just get relaxed and calm. So I'm going to see another dog because I'm doing this. So you imagine, maybe you're sitting here and you imagine it jump up on you. You're petting it. Just feel what it would feel like. If you cannot see, feel what it would feel like. If you're struggling to feel it, just remember a time that you was with the dog and then bring that memory to you, what you're thinking now, but change it up a little bit. But yeah, give this a test, give this a try, the wee dog method. If you're wanting to own a dog, put the intention behind it that you own it. If you just want to see a dog, then just pet it. But if this works for you, you can move on to trying it with other things like maybe people or relationships, or you want to get some money or a new job. But yeah, give this a go. Just get still, get quiet. Fill your whole mind with this scene of the dog. running around. You're petting it. You're playing together. A scene that would imply the wish fulfilled. But yeah, my name is Gareth Slick, and I hope that was helpful. Hit the subscribe if you're new, leave a like and a comment, ask some questions. I love interacting with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, 1 second. May peace be on your soul. Bye.